Air conditioners running June 5th, 2025. Also, in this video, we are going to feature some air conditioners that are not running. Here's the 1982 Carrier Air conditioner. This one's the International Series as a replacement unit. It's not running today. It's about 87 degrees, feels like 100, and it's a blistering hot day today. This unit that we just looked at that's running is a GE rebranded Samsung air conditioner. So it's actually a Samsung unit under the GE brand. Here is the 2017 Weather King running. There's your Weather King right there. Look at that Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. This Fujitsu is not running at this time. Split air conditioner, 9200 BTUs per hour, 208, 230 volts. Here is the inverter Fujitsu air conditioner. This one is running. It's a DC inverter. Here is the vintage Carrier International Series air conditioner. Not exactly sure what this one has. I believe it's either a Copeland CRK3 or a Copeland SE series compressor. Not exactly sure what this has. This definitely has a Copeland recip in it. It's a big unit. I'd say possibly a 2-tonner. I am not 100% sure what the cap is on this one. We'd have to ask, but hopefully get some more information about this unit. Here is this Fujitsu AirStage running. This one I believe is a 12,000 BTU model. This one is in fact running. It's pretty cool, I like it. Here is the American Standard Allegiance 14 air conditioner running. Here's a look at that. This one is not running, has not run for a few years now. This is the 1971 GM Frigidaire, the air conditioner. It's got a Tecumseh AB reciprocating. Very nice compressor. Heard it run in person. Sounds great. What an awesome machine. So look at that AB right there for you. It's a very cool unit. Here's a look at the 1995 Weather King, which is currently not running at this time. This one's got a Copeland CRK3 reciprocating compressor. Great sound, runs beautifully. What an awesome machine. Still working 30 years later. And over here, we just did a video on these not too long ago. By the way, here's the other Weather King, which rarely runs anymore. Here's a look at the dual zone Ruud air conditioner. These things dispel a lot of heat. Very hot air coming off the condenser, both of these. These are 410A refrigerant, Copeland scrolls. Pretty neat units. I like the sound of these. Over here we got a Series 2 General Electric low thin line, the air conditioner. This one's Series 2. Which the fan is on the inside instead of the outside. Very cool unit. It's all original. Here are the General Electric thin line air conditioners. This one and that one, and possibly the other one. These are the first series. When I posted these in the Vintage Air Conditioners Facebook group, I was told these were as early as 1958 and as late as 1963. You can see here, got your 50s style GE badge, which I definitely think is definitely late 50s. So we're gonna go with what they said about this being a 58 model. It's very neat. Usually these are running, but I guess they're not running today. Here's the other one. Right over here is the broken one that everybody likes to complain about. Someone had told me that unit will never work properly again. There is no way on earth it could. Well, I'm sorry, but whoever said that, I'm sorry to dispute your claim. This unit can work again. It just needs some TLC, it needs restoration, and it could possibly run again for generations to come. I'm sorry to dispel your claim, but your claim is inaccurate, so I'm sorry. And last but not least, here is the 1967 Chrysler AirTemp Imperial. As you can see here, it's in great shape, but it's not running today. I guess apparently it wasn't needed. It's got a, like we said before, a Tecumseh AJ compressor. Good old classic AJ. Now this one is a larger AJ, like my 1965 Fetters weather wheel, which tells me this is probably an 11,000 BTU or 11,300. This one's from December 25th of 1967 for the unit date on the compressor. So Christmas Day of 1967. Very, very cool unit. And they told me if this unit breaks, I will get it. So if this unit does break on them, they said I could have it. So that's going to be cool to see. Look at the fan. Try to show you anyway. Camera doesn't want to focus today. There we go. There you guys can see the fan. It's a 4-blade metal fan. So that's gonna do it for this video. If air conditioner is running and not running, hope you enjoyed. If you got any questions or you want to learn more about any of these units, please like, comment, and subscribe, and please feel free to put your questions in the comments section below, and I will answer them as soon as I can. Bye.